Yo, what's up, guys? All right, man, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the coolant temperature sensor. At my truck, the temperature gauge on the cluster reads 210 all the time. Doesn't matter if the truck's cold or if it's at idle temperature. And the reason why it's reading inaccurate is because the temperature sending unit is bad, and it plugs into the side of the head, and there's a wire that goes up and plugs in right there. This one on the 350 Vortec goes in right here by the damn, dude, there's all kinds of chaos going on every time I film. There was no traffic until I started filming. All right, so you're going to need a 3/4 wrench, and right here is the coolant temperature sensor. And basically you just want to get your wrench on there. Kind of difficult, these big old freaking wrenches, but get it on there, crack it loose. Jeez, there's so much in the way. There we go. So just do that, spin the wrench around. Coolant will come out, but not a whole lot anyway. Well, I guess we're gonna find out. Now that it's loose, I want to go ahead and open the bag up, get that ready. All right. Hopefully, oh yeah, she is a match. Not really a whole lot of coolant came out, but go ahead and put this in. Oh wow, what the heck is going on? Seems as if it doesn't want to go in. It's the right thread pitch. Maybe it's just not going that straight. Bro, what the heck? Okay, let me get this screwed in. All right, well, I got it started. It was kind of a pain. You gotta like push it and twist it at the same time, kind of like a pill bottle. But once you get it installed, just tighten it up. There is a stream of coolant that does leak out, so just make sure that you replace any amount that you lost. It should be all right. This does have red Loctite on it, so shouldn't have to worry about anything spewing out. But make sure that you do check over time, just to make sure that what the heck, thought that was getting tighter, it wasn't. But just keep checking it, make sure that nothing leaks over time, because it could potentially leak over time. Maybe one more whole turn and it should be there. It's actually a pretty easy, simple installation. All right, take our little clip and plug it in. Boom, she is set. Now, like I said, we did lose a little bit of coolant. Not really a whole lot, but just a little bit. This one, I don't think it's bad, and there's no metal shavings in the coolant system, so that's good. And we do have super bright green coolant. Okay, thing doesn't want to come up now, but yeah, super bright green, good to go. If it was brown, oh my goodness, that means you need a flush. But seems how this doesn't really indicate that it's bad, I'm going to go ahead and keep it. Just throw it in right there, and should be good to go. Now what you should do is go ahead and start your truck up, let it idle, let it get up to temperature, and just see if it's going to squirt out any. But I don't think it will, because I tightened it down a lot. But I really need to get the coolant sending unit. So it's this right here, screws into the head. There's a wire that goes all the way up and plugs in right there. That's what I thought that I bought from Amazon. But there's a coolant temperature sensor, and then there's a coolant temperature sending unit. The sensor is on top, the sending unit's on the bottom. The sending unit is the one that comes with the wire. So that being said, she is completed, and I do need to get that swapped out because like I said, my temperature gauge is reading inaccurate. But if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a big old fat thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.